Another beast has just arrived. This time, this is the Yulong White Range Rover SVR with only 5,000 miles on, 2121 registration with a massive specification. I mean, these SVRs, we are getting any amounts, and as they're coming in, they're selling straight away. This time last week we had 6 and we have none left. This is the only one that has just arrived in the Yulong White, 5,000 miles, still under manufacturer's warranty till 2024. Now remember, with an SVR, you're getting style, you're getting looks, you're getting power, you're getting practicality. The cars are beautiful. You've got 575 brake horsepower and 0 to 60 in 4.5 seconds. For a car this big, that's very impressive. But when you're driving one, you feel special because they look special, and they are a brilliant car just all the way around. Now, this being a 21 model, obviously a newer model, you have the LED style daytime running lights, the full adaptive LED headlights with the 4 inserts in there. Headlight washers which are flush and built into the front bumpers, and then this one has got a carbon bonnet. Now when I say carbon bonnet, what I mean is the full bonnet is carbon fibre, but it isn't exposed carbon. So what the previous keeper's very nicely done, he's put carbon wrap on this, so it's exposed the midsection, but that is just a wrap, and a very good wrap at that. But you can see the scoops on there, and it is still carbon, remember, so all that's a wrap is just to enhance the exterior, the way the car looks. You've also got carbon wrap on the corner vents as well. Obviously the vents are huge, to suck in lots of air. All colour coded, front rear parking sensors with parallel park assist. You've got the lovely black section on the front apron just there, and then you've got the huge 22-inch alloy wheels. The car's doing 5,000 miles, so the condition is exactly as expected to be. There's no damage on it, no scratches, no scuffs. All the wheels in perfect condition, tyres are in good condition, and you've got the red brake calipers as well. A couple of extras, which is the fixed mud flaps front and rear and the fixed side steps. But going back to the carbon fibre wrap, all the side vents have been wrapped as well, just like the mirror covers. On this Yulong White SVR, anything from here and up over is finished in contrasting black, and that does look really good. Sun protection glass, comfort access, but then check this out, the twin leather interior, which complements the exterior colour very, very well. That's the red and black with the Alcantara insert, full electric seat, lumbar support, memory seat, and then you've got things like heated seats and ventilated seats. But the SVR then has the ambient lighting pack on it, which is around the cup holders, the centre dash, the door cards and the footwells. Touchscreen media system, reversing camera system, and then this one has the tilt and sliding panoramic roof. Now what I do like about this, with it being the twin colour, the red and black is split up very, very well. So anything that's sort of in your eye line is black, and just below is red. Split dash, you've got the red and black on the door cards, and the lovely piano black finish to the inserts and pocket holes as well. Meridian sound system, dual zone climate control, and the rear passengers get the same treatment. First with the twin leather, with the SVR embossed into the headrests, just there, which is a nice little touch by the way, because the rear passengers get that lovely one-piece seat like the front. Centre armrest comes down, the third zone climate control, the piano black and fully fitted mats all the way around. Illuminated entry kick plates. That Yulong White, by the way, is a metallic white, and it's fabulous because in the sun you can just see it glitter so well, and it makes a difference. The car does have the sweeping dynamic animated indicators, the 3D lighting system, and then once again you've got the carbon wrap on the back as well. Now, to the naked eye, this car looks like a carbon edition, and that's why the job that's been done is a very, very good job on it. Rear spoiler, black styling with a badging, quad tailpipes, SVR badging, automatic tailgate, and then you have the huge boot space. I mean, this is massive. Tonneau cover to hide all your valuables, and the seats go down 60-40. We've also got, on this one, the electric deployable tow bar. Now this is an SVR, so you don't want the tow bar to be sticking out all the time because it looks silly, especially if you're not going to be using it. But if you are going to tow for any reason, press the button, it rolls out, do what you need to do. When you finish, press the button again and it falls away. Underneath here, you've got a spare wheel. It is only a dinky one, but it's better than nothing. Just for emergencies, it's ideal. Bodywork, like I said, is fabulous. When you're driving an SVR, it does something to you. It puts a smile on your face, because when you're with your partner and your kids, you can drive it every day like a normal person. But if you're on your own and you want to be a bit more daring and push your limits a little bit, it can do that, especially with the paddle shift option as well. The SVRs come with this beautiful SVR steering wheel, piano black and the badging, twin colours again, thumb pads, fully multifunctional steering wheel, which starts with the heated steering wheel, the adaptive cruise control, the lane assist, voice control and stereo controls, finished in lovely ceramic black, and it is touch sensitive and it's all illuminating as well, so it all lights up very well. You've then got the full digital dashboard there, which you can configure and change around from twin dials to single dial to a full display navigation. Reversing camera system in high definition with the guidelines just there. And to use the media system, it's so simple. That could be navigation, it could be Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, valet mode. You pick and choose what you want. Ambient lighting for me is my personal favourite, so you can pick the colours from purple, blue, yellow, white, red and orange. Centre armrest and the sliding cup holders are there with more storage compartment below. And then this car has another extra, which is the refrigerator with 2 settings, really cold and cold. For me, a car that makes that much noise, that's an auto 16 4.5 settings, that's sat high up with such great visibility, and it's a car you can take anywhere, on-road, off-road, to a nice restaurant, or just to a business meeting. Anything and everything. Fabulous car. My name's Joe. My name and number's on the bottom of the screen. Give me a call, drop me a text or a WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.